Do 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 do. Awkward. Awkward, awkward, awkward. Well, it's been a long time since I've done one of these. We're on the old Steed. Hope everyone's doing really well. It's been a hot minute since I've done one of these moto vlog things, but new camera, so today's just a bit of like a showdown. Hopefully it's all good. She's been doing very, very well. I've been Spain, France multiple times. She's spot on. But today I'm just going to go out and have a little ride. We're going to have a little check on this camera. Hopefully it performs really well. I've seen really good reviews. So yeah, go from there. I do want to go out to JNS and pick up hopefully a new pair of gloves, some sporty ones because these ones are too long. But yeah, we're jumping the old Steed and we'll crack on, and hope you enjoy the video. We'll ride to Seaford, we see what it's like, we'll pull over and then we'll go from there. But I mean, so far the quality is really good. It's just the audio, hopefully the audio's okay. Hopefully it doesn't pick up loads of wind noise, but we'll soon find out. We'll get to Seaford, we'll have a little look. Bit of a showdown really, just to make sure everything's running fine. And it's the only thing, we're getting new kit, you have to do this. You have to kind of like trial and error settings and stuff like that. But yeah, we'll have a little ride. We'll see what it turns out like really. Hopefully the angle's good. I'm looking forward to it. I've seen really good reviews. So yeah, hopefully it's a good little camera, and then I can start making moto vlogs for you lot. The other reason why I bought this DJI is because it gives me a reason to get out on the bike. I mean, I've been spoilt with the roads over in Spain and France. So, another MT-09. Oi, oi. Some people like this, man. 35 in a 50 is, you should be done for it. So antisocial, man. I'm getting too old for this. Oh, I'm quite tempted by a cheeky ice cream, to be honest with you. No indicators, nice. Oh god, that is hideous. I have to say, the latest BMWs are grim. Horrible, horrible fucking things. He was taking his time. What the fuck is all that? What a lovely day. Do 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 do. Thank you very much. Gravel on the road, gravel on the road. Hello fellow biker. Hi mate. This is a lovely little village, this place. Absolutely beautiful. I'd love to live down here. I used to work for a brewery distributor. So I was going around doing alcohol and stuff. And yeah, there's a little pub up here that's really nice. Yeah, I used to see it quite a lot. You should drop off some alcohols to him. But hopefully I've got the right ND filter on as well. But yeah, it's just a showdown really. Come and have a little ride with me. We're getting to the groove of it. We're getting to the old motor vlogging again. My old channel had over, well, I think it was, yeah, over 1,000, and then I kind of stopped. So yeah, I stopped for some strange reason. I think it was because it was just so much ag with the GoPro. The GoPro was just fucking non-stop. It would corrupt and overheat. So I gave up with it. With this new one, hopefully it's going to push me to make some more content. We are big chilling. Look at these roads. These roads are so nice, but the downside is they are yeah, there's potholes and stuff everywhere. I think what we do is we'll go to the services, and then I'll go and grab a drink. I really fancy a Red Bull to calm my tits down, but yeah, I haven't been there in a long time. What's this little smart car doing? We will do that because they don't know, they can't obviously park a smart car. So wait here, gotta wait. Oh bloody hell! It's an old Mustang. Working hard there, mate. Blimey, don't work too hard. Is he the button operator? No way, is he the button operator? Is he the button operator? Yeah, he's got to be. What a job! Hello, what do you do for a living? Oh, you push buttons. Wearing all this clobber, and then you get sweaty hands, you can't get your gloves off. That's pretty cool. I've just met that geezer over there. Yeah, Dark Knight Racing, I believe it is. Chucked him a follow. But yeah, so no, come out for a ride, etc. So yeah, nice bloke. Pretty cool. We shall carry on with our journey. Got to J&S really, so I've got the sat nav going. We'll do that. Hello. Oh my god, I think it looks like it's going to tip. Bloody hell. I'm not going to go absolutely mental, but yeah, it's just more of a test today. It'll be interesting to see what the battery's like on this, because apparently it's really good. So, ooh, 1300, very nice. No, don't worry about me then. That's one thing I hate, is when you do like the old nod to a biker and they don't do it. Cutting your bush. You're doing a lovely job of cutting your bush. But yeah, I hope you're enjoying the video. I mean, yeah, I'm used to talking to myself because well, not talk to myself, but on Twitch I stream, and yeah, it's kind of, I'm talking with chat back and forth constantly, and yeah, it's super fun. That's why I stream, because I love interacting with people. Absolutely lovely. I'm so used to talking to myself. I mean, it's a sign of madness, right? But you got to learn to talk to yourself, because that's how you do it. Lovely pub down there called the Six Bells. But yeah, UK roads are just so busy. I mean, I'm happily just stick at the speed limit and have a little bit of fun, but it's just so busy. Do you want me to carry on? Yeah. Okay. What the? Huh? Why are you taking a photo there? Oh, hello, Harley Davidson. Pretty cool. They do like meets and stuff there. It's a pretty cool little garage. And just like that, you can get rid of some slow traffic. Recently, I've added these Pro Taper bars from MT09 Fon, which he's now got an S1000RR, or yeah. But yeah, amazing. Like, I highly recommend if you're looking at doing like a bar conversion for the MT09, do it. I swear, since COVID, people like it's just become very lazy. Yeah, people just become so lazy with driving. Don't look, drive really slow. Just so this person up here, the red car, he's driving, he's doing what, 40 miles an hour, and he's holding up all this traffic, and it's now making me want to overtake. Come on, darling, get your X1 in drive. Go, go, go. Oh, I think I know where I am. Bang. The little pops and bangs. Yeah, I think it's over this roundabout. Yeah, we're nearly there. That's pretty cool. We're nearly at J&S, so can have a little look. I might have a new microphone, which would be amazing. Thank you. I thought you were going to plough at me then. Alright, we're nearly there. I'll have a little look. I'm looking for probably a new mic if I got some DJI stuff, and some new gloves, so hopefully. Good old Tracer. Here we are. Well, that was an expensive journey. New gloves required. I've been having problems with this, so I've been looking for a replacement. It's a bit corroded, but yeah, that's something I'm going to have to look into. Yeah, time to head off and get home. So yeah, new gloves required. These ones are getting a bit tatty. They're the gauntlet style too, so I need to get some like just shorter ones for when I'm not in the one-piece suit. But yeah, that's the end of the video. I mean, it's more of a test, isn't it? Let's be straight honest with you lot. Thank you so much for everyone for watching. Yeah, hopefully I can get it all sorted and be better for the next video if it is really bad quality. I'm hoping that it's actually totally fine. But yeah, I appreciate everyone watching, and I will... Oh, bit bumpy. Yeah, thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you all in the next one. I've also got a drift day coming up, which I'm actually learning to drift on track, thanks to the lads in the community that got together and they got me the drift day, so I'm looking forward to that, I really am. But yeah, I will reveal the gloves in the next video because that's more interesting, so me doing it all in one video. And yeah, I appreciate everyone watching, I really do, and look after yourselves, and I'll see you on the next one. Alright, see you in the next one.